Welcome to installment 1 of Project Crawlspace. As you can see, it's real dark. This is below the ground floor, obviously, of the house. Whenever we moved in, we had one light that was fed by a spare breaker, and it was just a pull down light with a pull string. Actually had a floodlight in it, of all things. Anyhow, what I wanted to do was light this place up a little bit, and so that's what I did. What I did was took a feed. This was where the original feed was coming in, and I took it and I switched the hot side, and then I ran, originally I was going to run from outlet to outlet. I bought these shop lights that actually have the plug-in outlets. At first I was just going to pull the plug off of them, but I thought, well, one of these days I might need outlet or maybe change the light out or whatever. So these actually worked out well. You can see I've run an outlet there off of the junction box that I made. And so the way I've done it is, rather than going piggyback like I originally thought I was going to do, I created a junction box, one wire in, one wire out, and then, or I should say one pair in, one pair out, and then 2 more pairs to each light. So basically 4 junction boxes and 8 lights, 16 bulbs, and it seems to do a really phenomenal job. So what it did light up to see is this vapor barrier. The black plastic is supposed to be covering every bit of the dirt to keep moisture from coming through the ground into the house, and it's not really doing a good job at all, especially up in the corner, which now that I see light on it and as I've been working in here, I can see they've rerouted some stuff and never put the vapor barrier back. So that's going to be one of the first jobs I do. Had some insulation fall down, insulation here. So anyhow, that'll be job number 1, and we'll see what happens after that.